Yo, my youth, listen, me have to get that girl tonight. Buy me cook oxtail for jerk chicken, rice and peas.
Just don't play none of that Jamaican R&B.
Yo, my youth, remember me call it back. Hey, my girl, you're sexy now.
Oh, stop it. This has been the most amazing Valentine's, really. Thank you.
I'm glad you enjoy yourself.
Jason, I really like you, but I don't want to go too fast. I've never had a Jamaican guy before.
Well, you've been missing out.
No, but seriously, I want to go slow, so I think I'm gonna call it a night.
Whoa, wait. I got you flowers. Can we at least have one Valentine's Day dance before you leave?
Okay.
I'm gonna play my favorite American song. One second.
Jason. Just a little slower. Maybe, yeah.
I'm sorry. It's just Pandora, but put it American R&B.
It's okay.
Okay, make it change. I got some dancehall, some slow.
Go.
Okay.
Yeah.
My kind of music.
Your pussy coming like Bible.
Okay, hold on. What?
No. He said that your body is like a Bible. It's a compliment.
Oh, okay. Let's just try another song. Maybe.
Yeah, Pandora.
Those 96.
This one sounds good.
I have a penis for your vagina hole.
Oh, no. Did you just hear what he said? No, Jason. Yo te dije que yo no soy así. Mi mamá me dijo que no, ¿sabes qué?
It's a love song.
Ya, no.
Mi amor. It's a, mommy. Damn, Pandora. It's a love song. Mira, mommy.
You played Jamaican music for her, didn't you?
Man, shut up.
Just saying, man. Not a good idea.